equation, x2 plus x3 by 2 is equals to 1. So we get x2 plus x3 is equals to 2. y2 plus y3, 2 into 5, 10. z2 plus z3, 2 into minus 1, that is 2. Now the coordinates of E. E has coordinates x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2, z1 plus z3 by 2. Now E के coordinates हमारे पास क्या है? 0, 4 and minus 2. x1 plus x3 is 0, y1 plus y3, 2 into 4 is 8, z1 plus z3, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now F coordinates of F are x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2. F के coordinates हमारे पास क्या है? 2, 3 and 4. So what we get? x1 plus x2, 2 into 2, 4. y1 plus y2, 2 into 3, 6. z1 plus z2, 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 8. Now we have to find the value of x1, y1, z1, x2, y2 and so on. Here x1 plus x3 is 0 and x2 plus x3. Solve this equation, or we can solve this also. x1 plus x2 is 4, x1 plus x3 is 0. It will get cancelled, but we get x2 minus x3 is 4. x2 और x3 में एक हमारे पास ये भी इक्वेशन है. x2 minus x3 is 4, x2 plus x3 is 2. Now it will get cancelled. 2x2, 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get x2 as 3. Now put the value of x2 here. Put the value of x2, 3. Minus x3 is 4. 3 minus 4 is x3. So we get x3 as minus 1. Now x1. We have x1 plus x3 is 0. x3 is minus 1. So x1 is 1. So what we get? x1 as 1. x2 as 3 and x3 as minus 1. Now solve other equations to find the value of y1, y2, y3. y1 plus y3, y1 plus y3 is 8. Subtract these equations. y2 minus y3, 6 minus 8 minus 2. Now we have y2 plus y3 is equals to 10. y3 will get cancelled. 2y2, 10 minus 2 is 8. So we get y2 as 4. y2 is 4. y2 is 4. Put the value of y2 here. 4 minus y3 is minus 2. Minus y3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. So y3 is 6. y3 is 6. Now we want to find value of y1. y1 plus y2 is equals to 6. So y1 is 6 minus 4, that is 2. y1 is 2. Now what we want to find? The value of z1, z2 and z3. Now solve the equations for z1, z2 and z3. z1 and z2 is given. z1 plus z3 minus 4. This. Subtract the equation. z2 minus z3. 8 plus 4, 12. Now we have z2 plus z3 is equals to minus 2. It will get cancelled. 12 minus 2 is 10. So we get z2 as 5. z2 is 5. Put the value of z2. 5 minus z3, 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So z3 is minus 7. Now z1. z2 is 5. So z1 8 minus 5 is 3. So what we get? The points of A is 1, 2, 3. B is 3, 4, 5. And C is minus 1, 6, minus 7. Now the next question. Given that P, Q, R are collinear, find the ratio in which Q divides PR. P, Q are collinear, we have to find the ratio in which Q is dividing PR. Coordinates of PR 3, 2, minus 4. QR 5, 4, minus 6. Coordinates of R is 9, 8 and minus 10. Suppose Q divides PR in the ratio lambda ratio 1. Then coordinates of Q will be 9 lambda plus 3 upon lambda plus 1. 8 lambda plus 2 upon lambda plus 1. Minus 10 lambda minus 4 upon lambda plus 1. We have given the coordinates of Q as 5, 4, minus 6. Equate any term x coordinate with x. So what we get? 9 lambda plus 3, 5 lambda plus 5. 9 minus 5, 4 lambda. 5 minus 3 is 2. Lambda is 2 by 4, 1 ratio 2. So Q divides PR in ratio lambda ratio 1, that is 1 by 2 ratio 1, that is 1 ratio 2. अगर आप इनको इक्वेट करेंगे किसी भी टर्म को y या z कोऑर्डिनेट को भी, then also we get the same answer. Now next question. Find the coordinates of point which trisects the line segment AB. Trisects mean line segment is divided into 3 equal parts. AB, given that A is 2, 1, minus 3, B is 5, minus 8, 3. Let P and Q, write down, let P and Q be the points which trisect AB. Therefore, AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. Now P divides AB in ratio 3 equal parts में डिवाइड हो रहा है तो 1 ratio 2. P के आगे हमारे पास 1 कोऑर्डिनेट है और पीछे 2. Therefore P divides AB in the ratio 1 ratio 2. Now coordinates of P will be 1 into 5, 2 into 2, 1 plus 2. 1 into minus 8, 2 into 1, 1 into 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 upon 1 plus 2. So coordinates of P are 5 plus 4, 9 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 3 by 3. So P has coordinates 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Now Q divides AB in the ratio. Q के आगे हमारे पास 2 coordinates हैं P और A. So it divides in the ratio 2 ratio 1. So Q divides AB in ratio 2 ratio 1. So find the coordinates of Q. 2 into 5, 10 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 8 into 2, minus 16, 1 into 1. 3 into 2, 6, 1 into minus 3. So 10 plus 2, 12 by 3, minus 15 by 3 and 3 by 3. So coordinates of Q are 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15 and 3 into 1, 3. So coordinates of Q are 4, minus 5, 1. Now next question. Show that the centroid of the triangle with vertices A, B, C, A as x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2 and C is x3, y3, z3. Centroid of the triangle, we have to prove that centroid is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. We have to prove that centroid of triangle is this. Let G is the centroid, write down, G is the centroid and D is the, G is centroid and D is midpoint of BC. If D is the midpoint of BC, then coordinates of D will be x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, z2 plus z3 by 2. It is clear? Now G will be the centroid of triangle. Then G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. अगर 2:1 में divide कर रहा है, तो what will be the coordinates? 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus x1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus y1 upon 3. 2 into z2 plus z3 by 2 plus z1 upon 3. 2 will get cancelled here. So what we get? G as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 2. So this is the centroid of triangle. Now the next one, question number 9. Find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from the point A 1, 2, 1 to the point, to the line joining BC with coordinates 1, 4, 6, 5, 4, 4. We want to find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from the point A on line joining B and C. Write down, let D be the foot of perpendicular. Let D be the foot of perpendicular drawn from A on BC. Let D divides BC in the ratio λ:1. Then coordinates of D are 5 lambda plus 1 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 4 upon lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1. Now AD vector is position vector of D minus position vector of A. D के वेक्टर हमारे पास क्या है? 5 lambda plus 1 lambda plus 1 minus 1. Position vector of D 4 lambda plus 4 lambda plus 1 minus 2. Coordinates of A 4 lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1 minus 1. Solve it. 5 lambda plus 1 minus lambda minus 1. 4 lambda plus 4 minus 2 lambda minus 2. 4 lambda plus 6 minus lambda minus 1. So what we get? 4 lambda upon lambda plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2 lambda plus 2, 4 minus 1 is 3 lambda, 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 lambda upon lambda plus 1, I cap, we are finding position vector, so I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So I cap plus j and plus k. I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This is AD vector. Now position vector of BC. BC vector is position vector of C minus position vector of B. 5 minus 1. 4 minus 4. And 4 minus 6. So BC vector is 4i plus 0j minus 2k. Now AD is foot of perpendicular, that is AD is perpendicular to BC. Write down AD is perpendicular to BC, then their dot product is 0. Take the dot product. 4 into 4 lambda, lambda plus 1. 0 into this 0. Minus 2 into 3 lambda plus 5 lambda plus 1. 4 into 4, 16 lambda minus 6 lambda, 5 into 2, 10. 6 lambda, 16 minus 6, 10 lambda is equals to 10. So we get lambda as 1. So lambda is 1. Therefore, point D is, put the value of lambda. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 1, 4 into 1. 4 plus 4, 8 upon 1 plus 1. 4 plus 6, 10 upon 1 plus 1. So D has coordinates 3, 4, 5. So D has coordinates 3, 4 and 5. Next topic we will discuss about direction ratios and direction cosines. उससे पहले हम कुछ जनरल बात करते हैं. If A, we have A vector with direction cosines L1, M1, N1, and B vector with direction cosines L2, M2 and N2. Then their unit vector A vector and B vector. Then angle between their unit vector is A dot B upon magnitude of the unit vectors A vector and B vector. Now if these two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. If two vectors are perpendicular और हमें उसके डायरेक्शन को साइंस गिवन है, then L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is 0. If two vectors are parallel, अगर दो वेक्टर पैरेलल है और हमें उसके डायरेक्शन को साइंस गिवन है, then L1 upon L2 is equals to M1 upon N2 is equals to N1 upon N2. If two vectors are parallel, तो हम क्या लगाते हैं? अगर A vector B के parallel है, then A vector is equals to some constant into B vector. तो A और B के vector let it be equals to lambda C. Clear? Now अगर हमें direction ratios given है A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. Let now A vector is A1I, B1J, C1K. B vector is A2I, B2J and C2K. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are direction ratios. Then cos theta is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 upon square root of A1 square, B1 square, C1 square, A2 square, B2 square and C2 square. And if two vectors are parallel, then what will be the condition? A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 is 0. And if they are parallel, then A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. So this is the condition given when we have given the direction cosines or direction ratios. Now on basis of these conditions we will solve questions. So let us start. Question number 1. Find the angle between the vectors with the direction ratios proportional to 4, -3, 5 and 3, 4, 5. Find the angle between the vectors. Important is between the vectors. हमें vectors के बीच में angle निकालना है when their direction ratios are proportional to this. Let A vector be the vector. Let A vector be the vector parallel to. Let A vector be the vector parallel to the vector whose direction ratios are parallel to the vector whose direction ratios are 4, -3, 5, and B vector be the vector parallel to the vector whose direction ratios are 3, 4 and 5. Then A vector, parallel vectors are given. A is 4i minus 3j plus 5k and B vector is 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Now we want to find the angle between them, cos theta. A vector dot B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Take the dot product, 4i minus 3j plus 5k dot 3i plus 4j plus 5k upon magnitude 4 square minus 3 square 5 square 3 square 4 square and 5 square. Take the dot product, 4 into 3 minus 4 into 3 5 into 5 16 plus 9 plus 25 16 4 3 square is 9 plus 4 square 16 5 square 25. So what we get? 25 upon square root of 50 square root of 50. Two terms, same terms having square root. So we will get 25 upon 50, that is 1 by 2. Cos theta is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is value of cos pi by 3. So we get the angle theta as pi by 3. Now the second one, write on the statement. Find the angle between the lines. पहले हमने निकाला था angle between the vectors. Now angle between the lines whose direction ratios are, direction ratio A1, B1, C1 are 4, -3, 5 and 3, 4 and 5. Direction ratios are given. We want to find angle between them. Lines, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 upon square root of A1 square B1 square C1 square A2 square B2 square and C2 square. A1 into A2 4 into 3 minus 4 into 3 5 into 5 upon 4 square 16 minus 3 square 5 square. Similarly for A2 3 square 4 square and 5 square. 25 upon square root of 50 square root of 50. 25 by 50 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 3. So we get theta as pi by 3. So angle between two lines is pi by 3. Now the next question. PQR are the vertices of triangle PQR. PQR P 6 3 2 Q 5 1 4 R 3 3 5 are the vertices y1 and z2 minus z1. Now direction ratio of QP. 6 minus 5, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4. So direction ratios are 1, 2 and minus 2. QR. 3 minus 5, 3 minus 1, 5 minus 4. That is minus 2, 2 and 1. Now we have direction ratios of line. These are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Now cos of theta is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 upon square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. 1 into minus 2, 2 into 2, minus 2 into 1 upon 1 square, 2 square minus 2 square, minus 2 square, 2 square and 1 square. 1 into minus 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, square root of 9, square root of 9. 0 upon 9, that is 0. And cos 0, cos is 0 for 90 degree, cos pi by 2. So we get theta as pi by 2. Now the next is find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from the point A whose coordinates are 1, 2, 1 to the line joining B and C whose coordinates are 1, 4, 6, 5, 4 and 4. Let D be the foot of perpendicular. D be the foot of perpendicular drawn from A on BC. Let D divides BC in the ratio lambda ratio 1. Then the coordinates of D are 5 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda 1 into 4, 4 lambda 1 into 6, lambda plus 1.